Aloha, I'm Chef Michi and welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make a kale Caesar salad. So let's get started. For your croutons, you'll want to preheat your oven or toaster oven to 350 degrees. Then toss the diced bread with the olive oil and Italian seasoning and bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. To make your dressing, add the garlic cloves to a blender and process until finely minced. Then add the tofu, Parmesan cheese, mayonnaise, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, fish sauce or anchovies, and pepper, and then process until well combined. Cut the entire romaine into bite-sized pieces, but for the kale, you'll have to remove the tough inner spine. Place the greens into a large salad bowl and toss to mix. Drizzle on some dressing and toss again. Top with some croutons and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese and enjoy. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.